Billionaire Anil Agarwal's ambitious plan to set up 19.5 billion semiconductor plant in India has come to an abrupt halt after electronic manufacturing giant Foxconn decided to exit the joint venture called Vedanta Foxconn Semiconductors Limited. Foxconn and Vedanta had signed a pact last year to invest $19.5 billion to set up semiconductor and display production plants in Gujarat. This was in order to tap into India's plans of becoming an electronics major. In his statement, Foxconn said it is working to remove the Foxconn name from what now is a fully owned entity of Vedanta. Foxconn has no connection to the entity, and efforts to keep its original name will cause confusion for future stakeholders. Foxconn, however, says it's confident about the India's semiconductor development strategy and said that they will partner with others to meet the stakeholders' needs. Meanwhile, Vedanta reiterated that it is still fully committed to its semiconductor project and they have lined up other partners to set up India's first foundry. But why did Foxconn pull out of the joint venture? Let's dive right in. Foxconn has not given a specific reason for the split, but the immediate trigger seems to be Vedanta's announcement on July 8th that it will take over the semiconductor and display glass business ventures which were held by Twin Star Technologies, a unit of its holding company. SEBI had imposed a penalty of Rs 30 lakhs on the metals to oil conglomerate for violating the market regulator's disclosure requirements. As per SEBI's order in June, Vedanta had broken its rules by publishing a press release on its website that made it appear it had partnered with Foxconn to make semiconductors in India when the deal was with Vedanta's holding company. Twin Star Technologies is a wholly owned subsidiary of Volcon, the ultimate holding company of Vedanta. According to a Reuters report, Foxconn had concerns over Vedanta's financial situation, due to which they parted ways in the chip-making joint venture. Both companies had no previous experience in manufacturing chips, thus their partnership also needed a technological partner. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, the Minister of State of Electronics and Information Technology, said that Foxconn's withdrawal will have no impact on India's semiconductor fab goals. As per his tweet, the joint venture, Vedanta Foxconn Semiconductor Limited, had originally submitted a proposal for 28 nanometer fab, but they had not sourced an appropriate technological partner for that proposal. The minister has also said that Vedanta, through VFSL, has recently submitted a 40 nanometer fab proposal backed by a technology licensing agreement from a global semiconductor major, which is currently being evaluated by the India Semiconductor Mission Tech Advisory Group. The minister also added in his tweet that it's not for the government to get into why or how two private companies choose to partner or choose not to, but in simple terms it means both companies can and will now pursue their strategies in India independently and with appropriate technological partners in semicon and electronics. Now Foxconn has said that it plans to apply for the incentives that India is offering under its semiconductor manufacturing policy. The Taiwanese company says that they are committed to India and are working towards submitting an application now.